One of the important things that's going to help you in preparing forms is to make sure that your Microsoft Word document is created so that it's friendly, so that Acrobat will automatically make the form the way you would like to do so. So one of the things that I look at for sure is if I have name, email address, application date, that I either don't have any line in here, or if I do put a line, then I make sure there's a space between the word and the actual line. Because if I don't have a space in here, oftentimes Acrobat thinks that the line is part of the word and it won't pick it up on the form. So I'll go ahead and do a couple that way. So we want to make sure that. And then if you want people to write a paragraph and do these bullet points like this will never turn out in the form correctly. So you want to get rid of these types of things where you have bullet points and instead just leave an open blank so that you can put in your own form fill there where they can do multiple lines in an answer. The same thing with this 1, 2, you could, but if you do, I would put lines here. So let's take a look at the difference between a couple of different versions of how we do this. So we'll leave this one like this one, and here we'll go ahead and put the bullet point in that they had in here to begin with, and just take a look at how this might work. Okay, so once again, I would get rid of all of these bullet points, but we're going to take a look at what happens when we do the form field recognition. And here's one with lines, and here's one with an empty blank. Now the important thing here is in Word, we have two different ways to make a PDF. One is a save as and change the file type to a PDF this way. But the problem with saving this as a PDF that way is it's a Microsoft version and we want Adobe. So we can either save as Adobe PDF this way, or we can always go to print. So a lot of people like to just do a Control P and get quickly to print. And what they do is pull down here to Adobe PDF because it uses a print driver. And then we print this as a PDF. And make sure that we use it that way as a PDF. I'm going to try that again. Click print. I do have to be logged into my Acrobat. And I click print. It's going to ask me what do I want to call it and where I want to save it. So I have to pay attention to that. And it will be in Acrobat PDF form. Click save. And so it will be ready to work with Acrobat then.